library, and this is a Make.Do. We do it every Friday from 3:30 to 4:30, and today I'm making little Valentine pom-pom monsters. Okay, so what you want to do first is grab a piece of yarn, 3 fingers, and then so you wrap it around your 3 fingers like 50 or 60 times. Now you leave a little tail, and then you take 1 finger out, and you grab this piece and wrap it all the way around.
Okay.
And you do that like twice.
And that's right around the center?
Yes, around the center.
Okay.
And then the other piece, the other tail, you're going to do it the opposite direction. So this.
So basically, in the end, you'll have 4.
No, you'll just have 2.
Oh, 2. Okay, I
And
see.
then you tie those in a knot.
I see. Okay, I gotcha.
And then let's see, there's 2. And then you just tie it and make a knot. And then you have 2 strings left, and you just cut those a little. And then you take 1 finger out. And these loops you just cut.
Oh, to make them fluffy.
Yeah, make them fluffy. And you do that with the other side. And you have the pom-poms. Like some pieces are so long, still long, so I just trim them. Okay. Now you grab some eyeballs and you glue them on it.
Okay, take 1 finger out.
Okay. You can just stick it on.
Yeah. Are you left-handed?
And that's the face. And then you pick out some feet. You glue that. And those are feet. Then for the ears, you grab 2 pipe cleaners, twist them in half, and then twist it. And with the top, you just make a little heart. And you do that with the other side. And then we're good.
Okay. And then see how she makes her eyes. You can put some eyes.
Oh, did it burn you?
Ow.
Oh, no.
Okay. And then you just stick them in the
So be careful with a hot glue gun, huh?
for sure.